So how's the culture at Uber design team? How many designers are there, and what are you guys working on?
So Uber has the way that Uber is divided is it's kind of divided into different sections of the company or different verticals of the company. So rides is one, driver is another. There's a design team specifically for Eats, and then there's a design team for Freight, which is our Uber Freight is a trucking operation that we have in the US. Um, and so most of the designers are kind of like in a pod for that specific business vertical. Their design team as a whole like still works as a design team as like one whole kind of organization, but when it comes to what you work on, you mainly work on like you usually only work on like if you're on Eats design, you only work on that. The culture I think is I really like it. I don't know if that's because of my team, but I definitely love it. People are really open and they're really willing to help, and I every time I've had a question about like where I can find a file or like how I wanted to use one of the Rezo printers once, and people like took time out of their schedule to come help me figure it out. So as a whole, I think there's some really, really talented people at the company as well. And there's a lot that you get to learn from them just by, like being in meetings with them and listening to how they critique work and the questions that they ask. I think that's one of the things that's blown my mind is um, I'm very, very just in awe of the questions that people ask in meetings, especially or just in general when we're working on a project. Because in my head, I'm thinking, how do they know that that's the right question to ask? But it almost always is to get the answers that we need to like push this project forward. And so that's something that I'm trying to get better at now. But the fact that I can learn from people that have come from such a wide variety of backgrounds and experiences and have worked at other companies um, and can like bring their experiences to Uber and to our team is it's really exciting, and I really like it, especially for a young designer. It's a great place to be, I think.
Awesome.